I don't care how you behave. I only care how I behave. My priority, every waking moment, is my response to my life. I choose everything that comes into my life, and I choose how to respond to that. My life, my body, my choices, all of it, my job. All of it, my responsibility. I take 100% responsibility for my life, and I'll never blame you or any other circumstances outside of my life. It doesn't mean I haven't, it just means I don't anymore. And my choices, my situations, my feelings, everything that I choose is my fault. But that gives me all the power. You're not the source nor the cause of my suffering or my joy. I am. So I pay all my attention to all my behavior. This wasn't always the case, like I said, but I've taught myself how to rein in this monkey mind to facilitate calmness and responsibility by paying attention to me. I review my day, I review my behavior, I review everything about myself constantly. I'm constantly contemplating and watching. I am constantly doing that with my behavior. I show that in another video of how I pay attention to me. Check it out.